Welcome to Theo's Amazing Life. I'm gonna make pancakes. We call them daddy pancakes, somehow. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to get the griddle warming up. So, of course you do. Second step, you have to put pancake mix, 3 scoops of pancake mix into the bowl. I need to get some scoops. I wonder if that's enough. I just have to smooth it out by like these. Just the way I smooth that out. Of course I have to do it. There we go. 1 spoonful. Two spoonful. 3 spoonful. Oops. 3 spoonful. Now we have to put this in the sink because we need it to get washed. Step 3, you may have to have 2 scoops of water. 1. Wait. 1. It's much easier. 2. Then next step. Step 4. Crack an egg. 1 more. Okay, that's 1 egg. That's enough. And then I have to just crumble this up, and then now I'm gonna put it in. There we go. Step 5, stir it up. Not with a fork, with a spoon. That's how I do it. Just had to get all the powder away. Just wait. Keep on watching until it's all clear. Just gonna be some good pancakes. You're not gonna see me eating the pancakes, but you're gonna see it at the table of me saying, mmm. So just wait. That looks good. Step 6. You have to get, before you put that on, you have to put about some butter in it. I mean, in here, I'm sorry about that. It's there. Now, I have to mix it, but I have to mix it with something else. Step 7. Now we have to get the pancakes. Just 1 little scoop, and I put it on. And so on. And then so on, over and over and over and over again. So those 2 that I just made are gonna be pancakes. And then I have to I'm gonna make as much as I want. So I'm gonna make about 4 pancakes. Okay, that's enough pancakes. Now it's time to flip the pancakes. Sorry about that. Just wait. There. Okay, just there we go. Flip. Flip. Okay, flip. There we go. We got some pancakes. They look delicious. Time to take them off. Just wait. Oh, come on. Now Now let's put the pancakes on the plate. I already put one on, but the second one. Now we're gonna put it on the plate. This is delicious. I already had a bite. It's very good. Thanks for watching Theo's Amazing Life. It's time to eat now. You're not gonna see me eat this, but this is the last info of stuff. Watch my other videos. Just type in Theo's Amazing Life, then you'll get lots of views especially thank you for the fireworks video from 1,000 views. I'm that popular, and today when I just turned on the TV, I was on the comment list. I'm that common. So, keep on watching. See you later.